Hi guys, I noticed a bunch of people having problems with offsets. I've only done a few cups, but I really wanted to do offsets so I can put names on my cups. And every way that I've looked on YouTube kind of threw me off as well. So I started playing around, and I'm actually a big fan of Microsoft Office, especially Publisher. I think you can do a lot of stuff on it. So that's actually the way that I do my offsets, and I thought I'd hop on and make a quick video to let you know how I do it. I apologize because I'm videotaping with my phone. That's why this screen's going a little crazy. But the first thing you do, of course, is open Publisher, and then you're going to go to Insert and then Word Art. Just pick the most simplistic one. I'm going to type in my name, which is Kelly. Whoops, what am I doing? Didn't. Okay. Kellie. All right, and then you're going to choose whichever font you want. For this one, I know Laser Metal is one that I've used before. It's a little weird, but I do like it. And so then you just hit OK. And since it is word art, you can make it as big as you'd like. So this would be the first layer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right click and then hit save as a picture. I'm just going to go ahead and save it to our desktop, and I'm going to put name 1. And then I always save it as high quality printing just because that's the way I save all of my stuff. It's not necessary. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy. You don't necessarily have to copy and paste, but I'm just going to show you a side-by-side version of it. So you're going to have two identical things. On the second one, that's going to be your background. You're going to go up to Format, and you're just going to hit Shape Outline. And let's say we want it this color. Shape outline, we're going to go change our weight. So weight is how you're going to get your shadow. You can see as I change this, it gets thicker. We want even thicker than that. I tend to go for the width of 20, but of course you can make it larger if you want. The biggest thing is play with it. And then you're also going to go change your shape fill to the same color as your background. Also not necessarily necessary for Cricut, but I like to do it. And then if you just want to get an idea of what it's going to look like, make sure you bring that top layer forward so it can sit in front of it, and then you just put it right there. And whoops, I didn't bring it forward. There we go. So that's what it would look like. I also forgot to make sure that you turn off your shadows. Sorry guys. Turn off your shadows. Now you'll see it's much clearer. Clean cut. And like I said, you can of course change the background size. A lot of people like it a little chunkier than that. If that be the case, you can go to weight and type in like 30, and that'll give you a significantly larger background offset as well. You can tell right there. So then what you're going to do after that is to just save this photo as well. And we're going to go back to desktop, and we're going to go to, oh, sorry, not changing that one. High quality. Okay. Name, whoops, 2. And save. So now that we've finished that, we're done with Publisher. We can go up and minimize this. And now we are at Cricut Design Space. So then what you're going to do is just go to your normal upload like you would any photo. And you are going to find it on your computer. So I know that I did mine on the desktop. And let's see here. Well, let's come up here. A little bit easier to find. So I've got name 1. I'm going to open that up. Simple. And then just make sure all of these little pieces are weeded out. Other than that, you don't have a problem. I did save this with a slight bit of shadow, but it's not necessarily going to matter that much. But you guys can get my point. So there's that. And then you're going to hit save. And then once you have done that and it is saved, you're going to go back and you're going to do that with your offset, like your background photo. So in that case, we're going to hit upload image again. Browse. We should be where we need to be. There is our background. You don't have to choose the color that you need. I mean, it's simple. I'm going to continue and save. All right. And so in that case, we're going to insert the image. And then we're going to insert this image. And now, you guys, we have 2 different photos. That's all it takes. Make sure you come up here and you hit no fill, so you'll be you're not a print and cut, you're just cutting it. So there you have that. You can obviously play with your colors, come in here and change what color you want the top layer to be or the bottom layer, and then make sure that this is going to be in the front. And again, you can just line this up to make sure you like that depth. And then of course you just print it and cut it and weed it, put it on your cup. I hope this helps you guys. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the Microsoft Office, so Publisher is really simple for me to use, and I'm hoping that it'll help you guys as well, versus maybe downloading an extra app on your phone that you don't need, but you might can try it and it'll help you. Thanks and have a good one.